Epithelial Practice Quiz 2. These slides will all be shown to you using the 10x objective instead of the 40x objective to give you some practice at identifying these tissues at a lower magnification. Now, one trick that I used to use, and a lot of people still use, when you walk into the room, on the back of your paper, you're going to write all 6 of these tissues that are possible answers for these. Then, as I go through and look at each individual slide, on the ones that I'm sure of, I mark them off the list, so that when I get to the ones I'm not sure of, I've now eliminated the majority, and so by process of elimination, I have a better chance of getting that right. And sometimes when you eliminate some of these obvious slides, the correct answer becomes a little more obvious. Now here are your 6 possible tissues. Here's a copy of the key that I gave you in 2 previous videos. And what you're going to want to do, here's your first tissue, tissue 1. Now you're going to want to write down what you think this is. I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing this, so you're going to have to hit pause every time I go to each slide until you decide what it is. Then you can also go backwards if you don't want to answer that one at first. And eventually, when you get all 6 of them answered and identified to the best of your ability, you can check the validity of your answers and see if you were right. So here is slide 1. This is slide 2. This is slide 3. Slide 4. Slide 5. Slide 6. Now remember to pause this video so that you don't see the answers too quickly, because I'm fixing to show you the answers. So pause it if you're not ready, because here are the answers for this quiz. Thanks, and I hope this helps you get ready for your lab test.